Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on functions, and on this one I want to determine whether the function is even, odd, or neither. And then I will need to determine the type of symmetry it has. All right, so the way you determine if it's even is if f of negative x equals f of x, that's even. Odd is if f of negative x equals negative f of x, and neither is if everything else. Everything else is under the category of neither. Anything that is even is symmetric over the y-axis, and anything that is odd is symmetric about the origin. So it's point symmetry, which means it's rotational symmetry. So let's start doing our tests. F of negative x would be 4 times negative x cubed minus 16 times negative x. Well, any negative x to a negative exponent, every pair becomes even. So negative x times, let's do it over here, negative x times negative x becomes positive x squared times negative x is a negative x cubed. Every set of 2, the negatives cancel, and the third one will stay negative. So that means this becomes negative 4x cubed. These two negatives cancel to become positive 16x. If I factor a negative out of these, I get negative 4x cubed minus 16x, which looks a lot like negative f of x. So that means that f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. This one is odd. So this has point symmetry about the origin. Okay. This f of negative x is, 5 times negative x cubed minus 4 times negative x squared minus 3. Well, we just talked about the negative cubed, so this would be negative 5x cubed. The squared will make this positive, minus 4x squared minus 3. This part is the same. This part is different. Taking out a negative will do nothing. This one's neither. Having two parts the same and one part different does not work. All right, so we have one left. So f of negative x equals 11 times negative x to the 4th minus 2 times negative x squared plus 9. So we already have 2 of them, becomes positive. If we did it again, we would have x squared, which is positive, times x squared, which is positive, this is going to become positive. Positive 11x to the 4th. We already know 2 of them become positive, minus 2x squared plus 9. That's what we started with, so this is just f of x. So that means f of negative x is equal to f of x, which means this is even, which means it is symmetric to the y-axis. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.